G'day again. Welcome back to the Full Lock Adventure channels. Playing with the RC cars again. So I've got a couple of them here. I'll show you where I'm up to. This is the old girl that I've had for years. This is the one I dragged out of the shed and featured in the last video. It's been running great. I've had it out a fair bit. But there's an issue. The wiring for the starter motor on the Easy Start terminal snapped, so can start it, but you got to hold it in a special spot. So if you remember, I got all these parts on Facebook Marketplace a couple of weeks ago. You know, hundreds and hundreds of dollars worth of parts in here, I assume, that some I'll use, some I won't, but in amongst there I was able to find a new starter loom. So it looks okay to me. It looks like it's been used. Perhaps he converted it to pull start, but I'll change that over. But yeah, that one goes no worries. And this is the other one that I bought, also on Marketplace. But it seems to have an issue. The sun's in the wrong spot. It'll start, but oh, I can't do it. The throttle servo is no good. So the steering works, but the throttle servo has stopped working there. I can't. It's too hard to do with the camera in my hand, but I can get that the throttle servo to work if I assist it with my hand. So I'm guessing it's buggered. Got another one coming. So that's another job. Change that out, and then that one should be running good. And I'm just gonna play with them for a while and see what else breaks. So yeah, change out the starter loom on this one, throttle servo on that one, and then one of my mates dropped this off the other day. He's got hasn't run it for years. I changed the glow plug, changed the fuel. I can get it to start, but I can't get it to run at this stage. Not sure. And biggest issue at the moment is it's pull start only, and I'm recovering from bilateral hand fractures. I've got broke both wrists and multiple fingers in both hands on a motorbike crash 3 months ago, so I can't really pull it at the moment. I've got to pull the starter cable at the moment. I've got to recover from that. So that's the idea of getting these cars out of the shed, was to give me a bit of a hobby and something to do while I can't work. It's New Year's Eve tonight, so I won't be doing anything tonight. Next couple of days it'll probably be stinking hot in the shed here, but I'll see how I go. Thank you. Have a great night.